Local is an organization registered in the United States, an S Corp. We are majorly into recruitment process outsourcing. This industry is ever evolving. Like I think every second or every minute we might have some other news or something like, आज ये हो गया, आज ये प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इसमें अब ये प्रोग्राम में इश्यूज आ गए हैं, अब एक्सप्रेस एंट्री नहीं आ रहा है. So this is the most ever evolving industry. So I'd just like to give the mic to Hemant. Come over. This is one person I've worked with, and he heads overseas education with Local. And then I had Puneet, Poonam, and Meenakshi who walked in with the idea, ma'am, immigration karte hain. हम कुछ नहीं होता. Let's work it out. We will make it big. I would like to call upon this one individual who introduced me to immigration industry, who was like my guru as well. So this individual was my guiding light, and to be very honest, professionally everybody says, but I'm sure everyone over here will agree to it. He professionally a personal guide bhi rahe. So none other than let's have Rohit Kumar Sharma. He's the chairperson Local Opportunities.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Legacy of 17 years global mobility. Staffing के ऊपर काम चलते ग्लोबल मोबिलिटी की 2 विंग्स और स्टडी वीज़ाज स्टडी डिवीजन की बात करें, आप इमिग्रेशन की बात करें, that we are now having perhaps one of the best human resource in this entire immigration industry. Not only of Delhi I'm talking about entire India, and I say it with lot of humbleness but lot of pride as well. But yes, time for us to really move forward and take forward the very vision that all of us are having. If you all are together, please understand one thing, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, that being together is just a beginning. And keeping together will be the progress. And working together will bring the success. सिकंदर वो जो कभी हार नहीं मानता, और टूटा हुआ तारा भी कभी जमीन में नहीं गिरता. तारा वही जो चमकता रहेगा, वो कभी जमीन पे नहीं गिरेगा. And that is what this entire association is all about. We will keep shining, we will keep staying bright, and this brightness has to spread. किसी इंडस्ट्री में एक ऐसे शख्स और रहे, मेरे काफ़ी लंबे करियर में मैंने किसी को अगर पाया कि ख़ास तौर से बिजनेस एंड इन्वेस्टर्स की अगर हम कैटेगरी की बात करें, कहीं ना कहीं ये लगा कि आपस में मिलकर अब हम इस विजन को और आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, क्योंकि विजन शायद दोनों का एक ही था. उसी के चलते, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज गिव अ थम्पिंग अप्लॉज टू नन अदर देन द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड फाउंडर ऑफ ग्लोवेज, मिस्टर प्रभजोत सिंह साथी, प्लीज ऑन द स्टेज. बैंगलोर में एक शख्सियत रही, उनके साथ बड़ा लंबा सफ़र रहा. साथ ही हम काम करते रहे और काम करते रहे और करते रहे, और क्या खूब काम करा. और बैंगलोर में अगर किसी की गूंज हुई तो वो ऋतिका वशिष्ठ की हो गई. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and guys, if you talk about knowledge, I really mean it. Any program you talk about, she is one person who has it in her absolutely intact for each and every product you talk about. You talk about sincerity, you talk about passion, you talk about working even till late nights and then closing the office with the keys and taking those keys back and then coming early in the morning and working tirelessly day in and night out. The female who actually has almost dedicated entire life of her, though she still is very young and lot of life to look forward ahead. Please welcome on the stage Hrithika Vashisht, please. एक शख्स ऐसे भी रहे जिन्होंने मुझे पिछले काफ़ी सालों में बहुत ही इज्जत अफजाई मेरे साथ निभाई है, और कुछ नाम भी कुछ इस तरह से रहे और काम भी कुछ इस तरह से हमारा रिश्ता बना रहा कि बहुत उन्होंने मेरे साथ इस बात के लिए, मुझे कभी कभी ऐसे लगा कि अगर राम को भी वनवास हो जाए तो भी जो भरत है वो अपनी जगह वहीं बैठे रहते हैं कि जब तक वो ना आके इस तरह की इज्जत अफजाई अगर किसी ने करी उन्हीं के साथ एक शख्स और जुड़ गए. When you talk about Australian immigration, I can say it with lot of conviction that Aman is one executive, ladies and gentlemen, who perhaps has the best knowledge when it comes to Australia as a destination, and Australia as a destination which we are going to target a lot in the days ahead. Time for me to invite the managing director and the founders of Pearlwise, one of the two very young, still very young, and the ones who has a lot of vision towards this. Please welcome on the stage Bharat and Aman, please. For me, these are not just four companies. For me, these are four emotions which are having only one passion. I am committing myself with due respect to my very loving family. I would like to say them that my next decades of time is all in all going to be love, care and passion for this organization. मैं बड़ा इस बात को मानता हूँ कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी हमेशा, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं. वही लोग खामोश रहते हैं अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. समझते हैं? So let your skills talk about you. Let your work talks about you.
Local Opportunities, an esteemed multinational corporate entity. When we say a multinational corporate entity, the idea is to provide the clients the best of infrastructure, servicing clients who are aspiring for global horizon.
Every person who walks into my office, he comes with a story, he comes with a dream, he comes with a hope, and it is our moral responsibility to at least help him fulfill with an honest advice to reach his desired country.
In immigration industry, there are multiple things which are happening around. At Pearlwise, we believe that a client is getting transparent and honest information about all the products, about all the services and about their success.
For any country, any visa, any category. So Global Opportunity, under one umbrella, we are having all the verticals of global mobility.
The vision for us is just not about creating a company, it is about creating a place where talent, dedication and passion comes together to create something meaningful.
I'm happy to be part of Global Opportunities where we will grow together.
With this unification of four brands, Pearlwise Immigration, Immigro, Global Opportunities and GlowEdge, they all come together with just one motto, that is your dream to be converted into reality by the corporates in this particular brand.
Thank you everyone.
We bring you #United by Glocal.
I can assure you one thing, that we care, दिल से.
अभी तो जमीन जीती है हमने, अभी आसमान बाकी है.